Woohoo! Yeah, baby! So I'm finally here. Look what's behind me. It's my ultimate dream car, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster. Woohoo! But today I'm not here to review this car, and this car is not mine because my boss haven't raised my salary as well. So today I'm here to review this OPPO Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition. So let's head to the car inside. Yes, finally, I'm in my dream car. Yes, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster. Woo! But today it's not to review the car, it's to review this OPPO Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition. So let's start. So this is the OPPO and Mobility Lamborghini collaboration. So the first time OPPO has collaborated with Lamborghini is on the last Find X. Yes, the one that with pop-up camera. But this time you really need to treat this as limited edition because all the specs, all the tech spec, all is the same with the standard Find X2 Pro. Alright, now let's look at the box. You can see in front of the box we've got the Lamborghini backlight logo with all this, and also the Lamborghini black and gold color contour. Okay, now let's open it up. Whoa! You can see this opening, it mimics how you open up the Lamborghini car door. Isn't it cool? So once we open up, we can see this OPPO Lamborghini card, and this is the phone right here. Yes. Okay, so this is the Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition, and normally I'll keep this aside first, but now I can't wait to review this whole design first. So as you can see, the OPPO Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition has this 3D rich body that's mimic the Lamborghini aerodynamic body and also the contour of the supercar. And if you look closer, when I tune it around, you can see the 4 layers of carbon fiber texture which mimic the carbon fiber of the supercar. So holding on to this phone is just like you're holding the Lamborghini on your hand. Other than that, it also has the hexagon camera housing with the bronze and gold accent beside, and also the logo and the power button with a tinge of gold bronze. And on the top, it has the dual 5G antenna, the volume rocker on the side, and also the SIM pin 2, the USB-C charging port, and also the speakers. So the whole contour and the whole design is really detailed, and also it really mimics the whole supercar. So holding this phone is really like you're holding a supercar. Well, because I can't get to buy a supercar, so I just get this phone and act like I have a Lamborghini on my hands. Okay, so done with the design of the phone, let's put it aside and continue to see what's inside the box. Okay, first we can see this leather back cover with Lamborghini color and also logo here. So this leather is a carbon fiber leather, so the detail, all the stitches are all hand stitched. So inside the box we see there's the 65-watt Super Walk 2.0 Lamborghini charging brick, the USB-C charging cable with a tinge of gold and black, that's the theme for the Lamborghini, and an extra charging cable for the car charger. Yes, it comes with a car charger as well because the car charger is a limited edition Lamborghini design with the texture of the carbon fiber texture on the side, and even the charging dock is also having a brown contour on it. Now lastly, inside the box we have the OPPO Encore Free Lamborghini Edition. Yes, the OPPO Encore Free, the black and golden edition, even on the power button as well. And you can see the black and golden color inside the speaker grill as well. And you can see how detailed the design is. It has a tinge of golden shape which mimic the hexagon of the supercar and also the black contour here. So in conclusion, what do you think about this OPPO Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition? To me, this is really a cool phone because we can't own a Lamborghini, so I'll just own a Lamborghini smartphone, right? So let me know in the comments below what do you think about this phone, and remember to like and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to catch our latest gadget review. I'm Joshua C. Ciao! And driver, let's go! Nanti boleh test speed kat sini. Bawah sini. Speeding.